I always buy my groceries online. Pero today, I did something different. Hi! Just Ayala being Ayala. Pagising ko, I just did my usual routine. Kumilos muna. I wash my face. I cook breakfast. Kumain. Then nagpalit ako ng pants kasi may mission ako today. Ayun na nga, I always do online grocery. Sumasakit kasi likod ko kapag nagbubuhat. Also, kasi wala, it is super convenient. Especially dito sa abroad. Ang bilis ng buhay, bawat oras mahalaga. Kaya mostly, mas okay kung magagawa mo yung isang bagay instantly. But today, since may mga hindi ako nabili online, I decided to go downstairs and buy them physically. I wasn't able to take a lot of videos. Ang daming tao, hindi pa ako sanay. But honestly, ang saya. Like, I got to pick my own fruits, vegetables, and other condiments. Parang ang simple lang, pero tuwan-tuwa ako. Don't get me wrong ha. Pag nasa Pinas ako, kayang-kaya ko mag-grocery mag-isa. Ewan ko lang, nung nag-abroad na ako, dumuwag ako ng dumuwag. Anyways, balansehin natin kasi may pros and cons naman yan pareha syempre. So sa online grocery, ang pros niyan mabilis, convenient, less effort. Yun nga lang, minsan kulang or hindi mo nakikita yung quality. Whereas sa physical store naman, you get to choose. Mas fresh, and nandun yung experience. Kaso, time-consuming, tapos kung madami kang binili, edi mapapagod ka talaga. So it's up to you, whatever works best for you. Ganun naman lagi. In my case kasi, fast-paced talaga ang life abroad. So we rely on convenience a lot. Pero today, na-realize ko, when you actually slow down and do things yourself, parang mas nafe-feel mo yung life. So to sum it up, I actually enjoyed it so much, so I might do this more often. Hindi lang para sa groceries, but just to feel more present. Kayo, what would you choose? Convenience or experience? Think about it. Alright!